What are we doing this evening? I'm doing my final task of the day, and that's going around watering all of the flowers here. And it's kind of really beautiful out tonight. There's a huge moon over there. Camera don't do it justice. Got all the flowers. And I look over, we have our cone flower next to that blue birdhouse. That thing is flowering big right now. It's the simple things in life, I tell you. But this is the last task for the night. So I hope everyone has a happy farm. Later, y'all.